How to fix camera not focusing in Oppo Reno 14f. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and click on camera. Now here you can force stop your camera. Now click on force stop and then click on OK. After force stop your camera, then go back and open camera. On top right corner you can see these three lines. Now click on it and then click on settings. Now scroll down and click on restore defaults and then click on restore. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.